A year of clothes. I change my clothes a lot. If I am going somewhere fancy, I wear a dress. I wear stockings on my legs, and I wear a pair of nice shoes. My brother Leo likes to play sports. When he plays outside, he wears a sweatshirt and jeans. When the sun is shining and we go to the beach, I wear my favorite bathing suit. Leo loves to swim in the ocean. He always wears his swimming trunks. On school days, I like to wear a skirt and a blouse. Underneath my clothes, I wear my underwear. Leo wears underwear too. He has boxer shorts with funny patterns on them. Today, I am wearing a blouse and a pair of jeans. I have socks and shoes on my feet. In the summer, I love to wear sandals that let my toes feel the warm air. In the summer, the tops that I wear are usually sleeveless, and I almost always wear shorts. Sometimes, the weather gets a little cool. Then I wear a sweater or a jacket. I also like to wear a cap or a hat on my head. I use a belt to hold up my jeans. It has a shiny buckle. When it gets very cold outside, I wear my winter coat. I also wear gloves or mittens on my hands to keep them warm. Sometimes I wrap a scarf around my neck to keep extra warm. I wear a toque on my head and boots on my feet to play in the snow.